Good night. My name is Liliana Lopez Rojas. My set very well. 5 years ago, something happened that it will hard, what will happen but no void went into happen. On May 26, 2014, my dad did. It was one of the saddest, frustrating and difficult experiences in my life. And I had adopted an experience that it's hard to forget. I was in a red induction in my work, about 20 people and the director on human development. We were invited to a lunch. The enter they don't want to me cell phone and they not us it at any time. At the end of lunch, I realized that I had money call from my house. When returning the call my niece gave maiden sadness, made that out hit about the 2 o'clock in the afternoon. My first reactions well Daniel, I told my night several times, do not play with that, and she repeated, my grandpa did. The only thing I did was to get to my house to see that he was fine and that everything it was alive. Rain, I took a bus and the hype creating it seemed eternal their drive to the house. Finally, my next was and the door clean inconsolably. With entering the house, I was not able to enter the room where in me that I well my hair had was breaking and I could not stop breathing. I had never were felt should intensify. After many hugs, my sister managed to enter the room, and he was living with his edges clothes and very cold. I will never forget that image. After that, we had the prepared the funeral and the hard farewell. Conclude that I will never see an hair again. I took up so many moments that I could share with him and that I did not. I regret using my time is in vain things and not telling him about and again. Caught much and loved have understood him. To feel him close, despite the immense pain and sadness we felt with my sister. We had to the strong and brave to support my mother, to give her strength and shelter. Everything will be fine. More in silence and showed him that they were fine. After some manager is start feel that it was the last time he said, "See you, Daddy." Laurel will she had observed and the saying that it's John will and good will. Thank you.